All right, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. And just a little bit of behind the scenes. I just did this video for the two coins that I got for the month of October. However, throughout the whole video, I kept saying September. So I'm redoing this video, so I can't show you my actually. Let me get this. Me ripping open the envelope or the package that it came in because I already did it. So you're just gonna have to trust me that I got these two coins today. But before I do that, let me just show you where silver closed at on Friday. $48.84. Earlier in the week, it was up around above $50. I think last week it was around $53 or $52. It may have even bled into this week, but I know the last 2 days it's been down. But to me, not a big deal. Um, when I started buying these two silver ounce coins on a monthly auto ship, silver was around $18, $19, and it was July of 2022. Yes, and so both silver coins probably cost me, let's say, $50 for both of them. Now they're costing me $100, right? It's okay. Like I've said this many times before. It's a forced savings plan for me, right? I've been doing this for 3 years. Silver was $18. Now it's just under $50. You can do the math. Um, so I would have spent that money, especially $50. I would have spent $50 on just about anything. Right, $100, a little different, but you're still spending $100. You have a family of four. We go to dinner a lot or eat out a lot. These days, $70 is like nothing. It's easily spent. So, what coins did I get this for October? So I ordered them on October 20th, the 20th of each month. The order goes in automatically, and I get them sent to me, within a couple of days. I got them today. Today's the 25th. So I got this coin. Look at that. That is beautiful. I mean, it really looks good because I got a new laptop, and the camera is, it's not a high end one, but the laptop I had earlier, or before this one, had I guess 720p. Now this is 1080p. So it's a high definition. So it looks really cool. Now the only thing that annoys me is that I got these I have like this probably is my ninth one. The next one I got is a Trident also, so I got two of them. So I got about 10 of these Tridents. Now there might be of different years, different denominations. Like this one is it's a half dollar, 2024 Barbados. So is this one. So but other than that, I'm perfectly fine with it, with them. I don't have the details in front of me, but it's just standard one troy ounce silver coin for what's the word I'm looking for a country coin. I can't think of the right word, but typically, I'm looking here. Typically, they're four nines, quadruple nines, and yes, they are. This is a quadruple nine. I don't know if you can see the quadruple nine, but it's right up here somewhere. It's get right up there. It's quadruple nine. Um, so when they're in country, that's what the purity of the coins are. Quadruple nine. I don't know if it's all the time, but I just noticed that is what happens most of the time. And then if they're not country denominations, why can't I think of that word? It's really annoying me. So if they're just rounds, like a picture of, I don't know, Don Juan down in Hawaii, it'll be probably a triple nine, right? So those are the two coins that I got for the month of October. Um, in my in November, next time I see you guys in my next video when I do these unboxings of my auto ship, I'll see you in November, which will be right around Thanksgiving time. So until then, enjoy the rest of the day, the rest of the weekend. Halloween's coming up. Have a great time if you're going to a Halloween party. If you're still doing trick or treating, have fun with that with your kids, not your kids, but keeps you young. So enjoy Halloween, and I'll see you right around turkey time of next month. So enjoy the rest of the day, and thanks for tuning in. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And that's it. Have a good one. Bye bye.